Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Magcubic Projector's auto image correction if it's not working on your side. So first let me show you what's the actual problem, then we will discuss the fix for this. So we have a Magcubic Projector HY350 Max, and this one has an issue that it is not auto correcting its image. So if I move this upward, and you can see that the corners are still stretched and it's not auto correcting the image. So if we have to do it using a manual way, but that's not perfect because we want portability and we can move it anywhere. So for that we have to turn on the developer feature. So I will go to the the system information, and where we see the equipment model which says HY350 Max. We are going to press the OK key from the remote. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can see that the developer mode is turned on, and you can go back and go to the projection settings and just so make sure that you have turned on all of these radio buttons, and just go to the bottom and you can see the intelligent calibration, and just open this one, and right there we see that we have correction, full screen, distortion, calibration, and G sensor and feedback. So we will move to the distortion section, and we need a mapping image. I will fetch that and I will show you how it look like. So here we have the calibration pattern that we will use to calibrate our projector. So you make sure that you have turn your brightness to 100% and your screen is properly lit. So let's go to the projector, and we move our menu to the distortion section, and we will align our laptop in front of this projector, and press OK on the distortion. So we can see that the pattern is well organized, and is properly aligned with edges. And now we press OK on the calibration, and we make sure that the save data, the projected camera and the sensor, it's not red, and the camera and the G sensor and save is OK, right? Both sensors, camera and the sensor, and the save, all of these should have OK status. So now we can go back. So while calibrating this screen, please make sure that you are following this guideline that says that please keep the projector accurate 1.7 meters from the wall. So we have properly distanced our projector, and we are using it on a table, and it should be horizontally aligned to your wall, right? So you can see this perfectly horizontal to the wall. And now we are going back, and if we go to the one touch calibration, and we'll see that it's just doing its own things. If we move the projector upwards, so we can see that the screen is properly adjusted and the image is auto corrected. I will try with like this one. So you can see that the projector has done automatically alignment with your wall, and if I move here, so it's making perfect alignment. So now the last step that we will do is turn off the debug mode off. So we have to press the OK 5 to 6 times again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the developer mode has been turned off. So that's it. You are